Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Happy Planner Squad Mentor box that came in the mail yesterday. This is obviously the new Disney Princess products. So if you'd like to see what they sent to me, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm super excited for this launch. A couple things I just want to mention before I open the box. It's a little bit confusing. These products are only going to be available at Walmart. Right now, there's a couple of products that are available there already, and I will show you those. But the majority of the Princess products are launching on the Walmart.com website on November 1st, and then they're rolling out in stores after that. These will not be available on the Happy Planner website at the moment. I think later on down the line, I think there is talk about bringing some of the products to the Happy Planner site, but I do not know which ones or when that's going to happen. So this is a Walmart exclusive, and this stuff is so cute, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I already did peek at the box because I was so excited to see what was inside, but first, so before I open this box, they did send me something else that I want to share with you, and I think this is so cute. So they sent me this planner storage pouch, and it is the Disney Princess theme, and it has the little embroidered gold crown on here and these really cute stars. It's like a really nice blue color. It's like royal blue. And then here we have it's a light blue with stripes. I think that's so pretty. And you have these gold zippers. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a flip through of this, not a flip through, but a more in-depth review of this pouch. I could do that for you, but it's really similar to the other Happy Planner pouches that are out there. I'll just show you real quick what it looks like inside. We have separate pouches that come out, and then this side has the zip pouches and stuff. So I don't know. Let me know if you want to see more of that. They did also send me this in here, and I think this is something they're going to be including in packages coming up. It's like a little die cut sticker. It says the Happy Planner. It's a peace sign. You can put it on on your water bottle or something like that. I think that's really cute and a nice little freebie. So let's get into what is inside this box. Like I said, there's some really cute stuff in here. I'm excited about this launch, and I know a lot of other people are as well. They did launch the other Disney stuff recently, but this is the Princess line. Whoops. Okay, so first off, how cute is this inside this box? That is so, so cute. All right. So I'm going to pull this box aside and just show you each thing one at a time. So first off, we have this classic Happy Planner. This is a classic vertical 12-month planner. It is for the year 2021. And we have Cinderella, Tiana, and Snow White on the cover. It says kindness is magic. There's a little gold foil on that. I'm not going to do a really in-depth flip through right here because I'm going to do cannot speak as usual, but I'm going to be doing a separate flip through of this planner and a review, but here's just a little highlights. Look how cute. Like I said, this is a vertical planner. It does have colored lines on some of the months. On all the months, it's a different color, but here's just some examples of what it looks like. How cute is this? All right. And we have those they're plastic discs, but they're blue, which we don't get all that often. So that's cool. Next, we have a planner companion accessory pack. I love these because it's just such a variety of products in here that you get. And in this one, we have a storage folder, vision board, dry erase board, note paper, 4 plastic envelopes of 2 different sizes, a pocket folder, and a paper pad. And I will do a separate flip through on this. So you can check out those other videos coming up soon, probably today. Okay, next we have this box kit. This is a mini Happy Planner box kit. It comes with the mini dashboard layout Happy Planner. This is of course for 2021. And then it comes with some stickers, some sticky notes, a bookmark, and I believe a plastic envelope. Yeah. So again, I will show this on another video, but these are good if you're somebody who's like just starting out, or if, as a gift for someone. I think a kid would probably really like this too. Like, who wouldn't want like a little Ariel bookmark on their planner and little stickers? I think it's just super cute. Okay, next and last we have the stickers, and I know you guys love these the best. I will do separate flip throughs of these. I'm sorry for that, for if you're coming to this video and expecting me to flip through everything. I'm sorry for that, but the reason I'm doing it this way is a lot of people prefer like the separate, more in-depth flip throughs, because they might not be interested in all the products and they don't want to sit through the flip through, but they might want to just go to the specific video flip through. So that's why I'm doing it that way. I hope that's okay. I did receive 2 sticker books. Okay, wait, I just want to mention something. So remember I said that Walmart has 2 products that are available already in stores. One of them is this sticker book, and the other is this planner. So they do have these available in store now. You can go there and get them, or I don't think that these 2 are going to be available online at all. I think these are in-store exclusives. I'm pretty sure about that. So, but those are available now, so you can go get those if you want. This is the classic sticker book, and this is just a regular value pack sticker book. And then this one is a mini value pack sticker book. And the interesting thing about this one is it's double thickness. So you can see the difference. This is not a mega pack like some of those other ones, but it's just a giant value pack. So I will do just a quick sneak peek of these, and then you can go to the separate video if you want to see the in-depth flip throughs. I think these are really cute. We have a bunch of different princesses. Not all of the princesses are in this book. There's just a few, but then this book is like all of them. And of course, this is for like the mini Happy Planner, but honestly, you can use this in any layout. Like I always say, there's just so many stickers in this book, you guys, like so many. I can't wait to create spreads with this. I was waiting until I did this flip through because I didn't want to take any stickers out, you know, before I show you the sticker book. So those are the stickers, and that is everything I got in my box. I just want to give a thank you to Happy Planner for sending me this stuff. It's always so exciting and always so appreciated. You know, I really enjoy working with the Happy Planner, and I love getting like their products in the mail. I think it's just so much fun to get one of these boxes. So I hope this was interesting, and stay tuned for all those flip throughs, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.